Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be looking at the median, and the median is defined as the middle or central value in a set of ascending or descending observations, and it is represented by the symbol Q2. All right, and it says the median always has the same number of values above it as there are values below it. When there is an odd number of observations, then the middle value or median is easily ascertained. However, when there is an even number of observations, then the median is the average of the two central observations, since there is no single or middle value, right? Okay, so let's just do a simple example here, right? Simple as cheese. There are five numbers, five numbers here, and we're going to have to find the median on these five numbers. All right, guys? So the first thing we want to do, guys, we're seeing 6, 12, 11, 7, and 8. And we need to put this in either ascending or descending order. So I like to put things in ascending order from smallest to largest, right? So we're gonna get 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12 in ascending order, right? And remember, guys, the median is just the middle value. So all we need to do is say Q2 is equal to 8, right? So the median Q2 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is just a really simple example, guys. But let's go into more detailed examples. But literally, that's what the median is. It's just the middle value of all of the raw data in this case. All right. So let's just look at another value. Um, so let's look at another question. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So we're back in it, and we're looking at this example here, and this is actually an example of finding the median from raw data as it shows here on the left side. Okay. So finding the median from raw data. And all right, so in order to do this, we need to put the data in ascending or descending order. So it says find the median of the following in centimeters. So for A, the first thing we want to do is write this out in ascending order, right? I would much rather write it out in ascending order. And let's just write it out. So the first one would actually be 154. That's the smallest one I'm seeing there, right? And then 155, then 156, then 158, then 159, then 161, and then 163. All right, guys. And B says, well, sorry about that. We're not going to go to B. Okay, so once this is in ascending order now, guys, and we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So since it's an odd number of numbers, all we need to do is choose the middle one to find the median. So clearly in this case, Q2, which is the median is equal to 158 centimeters. All right, guys. Cool. So that one was really simple. Let's move on to the other. All right, guys. So now we're looking at B. Okay. And for B, we'll have to do the same thing. We want to put the numbers in ascending order. And we're going to start with the lowest number, of course, which in this case is 155. So it's 155, then 156, then 157, then 158, then 159. Oh, actually missed this 154. So 154 should actually be here. This is 154. This is actually the first number. And then 161 is up here. And then 163 is the last one. All right, guys. All right, so let me just remove here and then put 154 right there. All right, guys, cool. So this is looking good. And we have 8 numbers here, right? And these 8 numbers, right, these 8 numbers are what we're going to use to find the median. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But since it's not an odd number, what we actually have to do, guys, is we'll have to use the 2 middle numbers, 4 and 5, this 158 with 158 and 157, and we have to find the average to find the median. So 157 plus 158 divided by 2 is actually equal to Q2, which is a median. So the median Q2 is actually equal to 157 plus 158 divided by 2, which is equal to 157.5 centimeters. All right, guys? Cool. So not too hard. All you have to do is just find the middle number if it's odd, and if it's even in terms of the number of numbers in the raw data, then you just have to find the average of the 2 numbers. All right? Cool. So we can move on to finding the median from on-group data. Okay? That's it. And I'll see you in the next lecture. And remember to do your best, and God will do the rest.